Kia vehicles come equipped with USB ports, but not all USB ports are the same. Data ports can be used to stream music, while power ports are used to power and charge devices. Select Kia vehicles also have 12-volt power outlets. In this video, we'll examine all three. The multimedia USB port is quite versatile. It connects USB audio devices, smartphones, and USB drives to your Kia, which allow you to stream music. It also can be used to support data transfer of information for updates. And it also connects your smartphone to your Kia via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, depending on your infotainment system version. Multimedia USB ports are typically labeled USB. The USB charger ports, typically labeled with a graphic of a battery being charged, are used to recharge devices using a USB cable. The start-stop or power button needs to be in the accessory on or ready position for the USB charger to operate. USB charger ports charge faster than the multimedia USB ports. Using any of these outlets for prolonged periods of time with the vehicle in the accessory position may cause the battery to discharge. Kia also recommends that you use the cables provided by the manufacturer of your device, as a third-party cable may not work properly with your device. Select Kia vehicles feature USB-C charger ports. These ports require a special USB-C connector. The locations of USB ports vary based on the vehicle. The multimedia USB port is typically in or directly above the center console. USB charging ports can be in the center console, in the second row, and they can be in the rear of the vehicle. In some Kia models, the USB charging ports are also located on the side of a front seat back. In addition, most Kia models include a power outlet to provide power for devices that require 12-volt power. These are typically marked with a cover that says 12V. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.